with an unassuming semi-industrial street in Dunedin, a clinical research organization called Zenith Technology, now known as Zentech, made medical history in 1993 by developing a synthetic bandage which acts like artificial skin.
So it's an artificial membrane for just provide a physical protection, physical barrier for protection for the skin to prevent moisture loss so that the cell can grow under the membrane. Because if you let the skin dry out, then you get scar formation and delayed wound healing. And the invention we had was actually prevent that process. We sold the technology to a United States company called Aquaderm, and they sold now to another company, and the product is still in the market in the United States.
Dr. Hung is one of Zentech's founders. He was born in Hong Kong and completed his PhD in pharmaceutical science in Aberdeen, Scotland. In 1983, he became a lecturer at Otago University's School of Pharmacy. After 4 years, he and a group of consultants established Zentech, New Zealand's only privately owned clinical research organization. Dr. Hung is now the sole owner of the company.
I did a lot of consulting when I was in the university, and after a while, the consulting business becomes quite substantial. And it's no longer, say, like a hobby. And it's the time for me to set up a company and do it like a business. We specialize in pharmaceutical and mainly in evaluation of the pharmaceutical dosage form. We specialize in phase 1 clinical trials.
Zentech's markets are in New Zealand and overseas. To maintain standards, it regularly acquires the latest technology and systems. Its location, close to the University of Dunedin, is mutually beneficial to both the company and the graduates of the University of Otago.
Because I graduated in University of Otago in chemistry, and this job is so nice that I can actually work in a lab and have all the good new equipments, and it's really good experience for me here. Yeah, to work as an analyst.
It's a really good base job. They teach you a variety of things. So we learn how to take blood from people all the way through to extracting the drug from the blood samples and analysing and everything. Yeah.
And you talk about the staff quality. Yes, we have the basic scientific background, and after then we have intensive training, usually 1 to 3 years. And then the staff can function independently.
In 2002, Dr. Hung jointly received the Distinguished Biotechnologist Award. And last year, he was awarded the New Zealand Order of Merit, not for his achievement in science, but for his services to philanthropy and the Chinese community.
Yeah, for me, I think that he has been a tremendous supporter of the community in terms of the Chinese, and my involvement with him has really been around the building of the Chinese garden, and he was hugely supportive of that, very generous in terms of his time and his advice. In terms of the cultural aspects of the city, he's also been very much a supporter of the musical life of Dunedin.
Dr. Hung gives back to his adopted city in any way he can, like supporting Chinese language and culture studies at Dunedin's Columba College.
Dr. Hung and his wife were also very generous to Columba. They made it possible for us financially to start programs at junior level. Then about 4 years ago, we made a definite decision to introduce Mandarin to the senior school, and Dr. Hung and his wife were there right at the beginning, encouraging us and making it possible financially to happen.
This city And this country has been very kind to me. They accept me in the society and during the establishment of the new business. It's a lot of help. Okay? It's just the friends help and allowed me to function here without too much prejudice, and it's good. Would like to do more, but try to do just a little bit. So if the company grow and the city grow, and certainly I'd love to contribute more in the future.